Hello, my name is Josh Lewis, and my internship for this semester was at Flathead Valley Community College and the IT and marketing department there. I had several different jobs that I did, but I guess the most important one was the first thing that was asked of me was to crawl or totally go through flatheadvalleycommunitycollege.com with or at .edu with a fine tooth comb and look for any errors or any kind of glitches or anything like that. So I compiled this document in Google Docs, which I shared with my boss and everybody I worked with, and it just pretty much goes through every link, everything that I did, and it turned out to be pretty huge. I broke it up into issues that I think are fixable, that I could probably fix most of them, and then just questions I had about how the thing ran, and just about different little, where do different forms go, what plugins were used, things like that. And then there's some subsites in all this, the library, human resources has a subsite. These are all database front ends, and so I crawled each of those subsites and checked out for problems in those. So by the end of this, I had a many page document. I compiled all of this, and then I just started fixing what I could. And if you look in here, everything that I could fix, I put updated. Everything I couldn't, I would forward to whoever I thought could fix it. Most of it was super simple, broken links. I needed to find a new website, a URL to use in that spot. Other things were database and plugin issues that I don't have the authority to get into that stuff, so I just forwarded those off to IT. Sometimes there was docs that no longer existed in Google Drives, and I made that aware to the people that those docs affected. But I fixed everything I could. See, everything in red on here is stuff I fixed or I forwarded it to somebody else. And then I was given, after I fixed all this, then I was given the opportunity to get into the pages themselves and start working on different updates. And so one of the first pages I got into was on the student government. So if you go campus guide, student life, and then student clubs and organizations to student government, this is what the original page looked like. Pretty bland. There was a list, a bullet pointed list of representatives. The owner of this page wasn't really super happy with it. So I saved this page as a template, and then I opened it up under a different name, and this is how I changed it. Oh, another thing that she didn't like. Oh, never mind. Sorry. So what I did was I this content still needs to be changed. I'm waiting for content on this, but I made a image, title, name, and bio tags or divs in this for each one of these students. I took the pictures I could find and I edited them myself. Anybody who gave me a bio, I put it in here. And this is what this page looks like now. Same with if you go to student life. The owner of this page didn't like this negative space here on either side. This calendar had pushed the content down and everything's underneath. And if this is a slightly different layout than this looks really bad. There's a huge white spot right in the middle of this page. So I built this version of it. So I photoshopped in two other student life pictures on either side and remade this banner. Then I split this module into two modules. I put the calendar on one side, and I put all the text in different divs on this side. Another beauty of this page is I went into Google Maps and I created a map, and then I linked to it via the Google Maps shortcode. So if you click on this, it'll bring you up right into Google Maps. This route has been created. It's printable, and it gives you directions and estimated times from Flathead Valley Community College to West Glacier. And I did this a bunch of different times on this thing. I did it for Flathead Lake, Big Mountain, and Blacktail. I also found in this content, it says endless opportunities for year-round recreation. I found this great Forest Service site that I linked to that has a completely interactive map here for everything that goes on in the Flathead Valley, having to do with outdoors and recreation. It's a really cool site, and they don't care if we use it because it's public domain. So yeah, those are the kind of things I've been doing on the site. I still have 3 or 4 pages like this to make, but it's going really well. I put these images in. I pretty much built this thing from scratch. But it's not live yet because you get on the actual site, and this is what this page still looks like. So as soon as I get the okay, the content gets approved, then the thing can go up. Another one of the big projects that I got was I'm a photographer, so I got to cruise around campus and photograph different things like the new build over on the backside of the AT building, and just students doing stuff, different events like the Red, White, and Blue Run, and the big culinary events that they have over in AT. So what I did is I created a group of different files in Google Docs that I shared with everybody in marketing so that they could use all these pictures for social media, website development, the newsletter, pretty much any kind of digital thing that they turn out of marketing, they use my images for. So this is like I made this for the culinary event. This was for that Red, White, and Blue Run, and then I kind of had free reign to kind of cruise around the campus and just take pictures of people and stuff. And so I created this called Post Ideas. Whenever my boss needs to create a post for social media or for the site for an update, she can just dive into this and grab any of these images. I've taken them, edited them, optimized them, and put them on here. They're ready for web right now, and I have the originals to use for print if ever needed. And these will remain on the schools. The school will have access to this forever, so they can use these images whenever they want. These are some great shots that I got of the construction going on over there. This is a panorama, so this is actually like 6 pictures that I put into one big picture. And let's see, where's that other one? Well, anyway, you get the idea. So if they can go in here at any point in time and grab whatever they need to grab. And all these pictures are here. This is probably my favorite picture of all the pictures I got. This is called an HDR, which means high dynamic range. It's about 15 pictures, all with different exposures, layered together so that everything has the right exposure. These are really neat pictures, and so hopefully they'll be valuable for them. These images have already been added to the website. They've been added to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and been used for all of the different printings and stuff that the college comes out with. So all in all, I had a really good time on this internship. I learned a lot. I was really excited to find out that the things that I learned in the program, the database stuff, PHP, HTML, all of those interactive web classes were totally relevant to what I needed to do there. I didn't feel out of place or out of my element in any way on any of these jobs. And so the college gave me a great education to be able to do this. And they love me there because I do my job and I'm trained and I know new things that maybe they even haven't quite heard of because their education is 10 years old. Mine's brand new. So anyway, that's my video, and I hope that everybody had a great semester and stay safe out there. It's the Wild West.